right, just to show you the compatibility, right here we have an iPad 7 Gen digitizer. I bought it like this from eBay, and I'm gonna show you that they are exactly the same as the iPad 8 digitizer. So yes, this video is to confirm that you can use the iPad 7 generation digitizer on the iPad 8. Just in case you have a few of them laying around, don't throw them away. They are compatible with the iPad 8 generation. I'm gonna install it and I'm going to show you that they really work. All right, guys, as I said, I was going to show you after I installed the new screen on this iPad 8, which I can show you the model number is 8 as an apple 2270 iPad 8 generation. Right here we have the old digitizer. As I said, I use iPad 7 generation digitizer and it works 100% on the new iPad 8. So if you have another digitizer from previous model from iPad 7, you can perfectly use it on the iPad 8 generation. We see this before on the iPad Air and the iPad 5th generation, which their digitizer are 100% compatible between the models. So that's it for this a short video, guys. I just wanted to address this information. Maybe it helps you and you were looking for this. So thank you, guys. I'll see you back in the next video. Bye.